Hey, thanks for clicking. In this video, I headed up to PA in my Jeep and just to spend some time with my brother and go fishing, check out some spots, go eat, get some good food, and just hang out and spend some time with each other. We don't get to do that much often because he lives in PA and I live in North Carolina. So it's starting to cool down a little bit, so I felt like it was time to get out there and do some fishing and just kind of hang out and enjoy each other's company. So thanks for clicking, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, we're out here with Tucker, the man himself. Got Noah in the back. What's up, boy? Where we at?
A cock.
No. We're at the fish and bait store, as he called it. Out here in Pennsylvania this weekend with my bro. I'm gonna try to get out here on the river and catch a walleye. A couple lures. Got a little Cherokee action over here. Old brother's in a little bit of trouble. It's typical XJ shit though. So we'll catch you back at the river. We're gonna hit a little dam spot. We got a little local knowledge on where we should go. So hopefully we get a little something and get hooked up and gonna be able to show y'all guys some fish. All right. We made it. We're right here at the Susquehanna River. Got some local intel on a little spot on the dam we need to walk down to. Noah's got some tackle supplies. Tucker's got the drone. Get some nice shots with the drone today. Somebody's in trouble with the police over here. And we'll catch you down here on the walk to the trail. Alright. Try not to bust my tail down here. Tucker's about to get the drone up. Trying to get to some deeper water. See what happens. See if I don't fall. Bust my tail. We're in the water now, boys. We are in here. Whoa. Gosh dang it. Second time I lost my flip-flop. There we go.
I stole Tyler's GoPro. I have a little footage on here for you, buddy.
Well, we didn't catch nothing. I think we got here a little too early, but I think we might find another spot one evening and try it out again. See if we can't have any better luck. We're gonna go to Lancaster and check out to a little bar he wants to go to. Get some food, get a couple brews, and just hang out, and we'll catch you around and just look at this beautiful view.
parking spaces have the M&M characters on it.
Oh, word, yeah.
Oh,
That's pretty cool. What? Where we at, bro?
Well, we're now at Funk Brewing,
Funk Brewing.
downtown E-Town.
Pretty dope little sticker it got.
He's got his beer. I've got my seltzer water.
Nice atmosphere down here. We have a few brews and some wings. And, see if we can't get in any trouble. Oh man. Cheers. Oh my god, look at this, boys.
I think, I mean, half eaten is a good enough control.
Blue cheese.
That just proves how good it was.
Fries.
These wings are nice and crispy.
What
and
flavor you got?
Mild.
Mild.
Crispy, on point.
I got chipotle adobo and dry rub sweet barbecue. Some blue cheese and an IPA. It's on point today, boys. Oh man. But this atmosphere down here. It's just beautiful out here. Well, this is what the aftermath looks like. Got a little leftover. I'm gonna head out, take a little walk or something like that. Get hit by a car or two. So what do you think we're gonna do next, man? Dang.
Oh, he's trying to get away.
Got it.
There we go.
First bass of the smallmouth bass of the trip. Nothing special.
We came down to Riverfront Park. This is day 2, or
Yeah.
round 2, trying again, and we are successful right off the bat.
First 5
So
minutes.
Noah is right out there. He's got a little bobber with the bait on it. See if he can catch anything. I'm about to throw my first cast, so we'll see. Yeah, I mean, he should be able to get something. I mean, for how fast you just got that.
We're calling it a wrap there.
Officially heading out.
I'm heading back now. Got a 6.5 hour drive I'm not looking forward to, but it's what we gotta do. Come spend time with this little guy. And my broski right here. He's whatever. This is the main event right here. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. We did some fishing, we went out to eat, checked out downtown, did a little bit of riding around, checked out the area. It was good fun. It was just a, yeah, it was my first time meeting my nephew Ezra. See him on FaceTime and so many pictures, I felt like I already met him, you know. But that was nice, good fun. He was scared of my beard. Glad I cut it off at least so he wasn't like terrified of me. But other than that, it's a good trip. And can't wait to get home and hug my wife and get on my own bed though. But
That mattress was alright.
yeah, the mattress was decent. Mine's a little softer. But it was good fun, bro. I'm gonna hit the road, man. It's good hanging. We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Cheers.